Hello friends, this is Dr. Joseph, Celucien Joseph, Dr. Lou for short. Once again, we are here for another Creole poetry reading. I hope you had a great weekend, and my weekend was very successful. I've been working on a project on Jacques Roumain, thinking in public, faith, secularism, and development in Jacques Roumain. It's a book that I'm very excited about. This book should be coming out pretty soon. I'm editing the last chapters. It looks great. 8 chapters. They're very long. I just counted the pages. It's about 345 pages. So wish me good luck in this new book. Well, anyway, I want to introduce to you tonight, this morning, this evening, I don't know what time is it where you are, a poem by Hilario Batista Felix. Hilario Batista Felix is a Haitian Cuban poet. He was born in Cuba to Haitian parents. He is the president of the Association of Cuban Haitians in Cuba. He has written extensively in the Creole language. Well, Hilario is not widely known. He's not widely known in the States nor in Haiti, but he's a prominent figure in Cuba. I want to share with you a poem he has entitled Konbit. Konbit basically means a collective agricultural work where Haitian farmers would gather together for harvest, or then they would sing, play the drums, dance to the music. They would drink rum, tafia, clairin, and then they would eat afterwards. It's a time for fellowship, right? It's a time to work together, to bring peasants from different communities, different villages, to work together to help another. So the poem Konbit. Let's begin. Mwen ta reme fè yon konbit. Yon konbit pou nou tout ale. Yon konbit nou tout taptan. Yon konbit nou tout bezwen. Nan konbit si la, nou pa bezwen rou ak pikwa. Manchet ak kouto. Nou pa bezwen pote rechange ak chapeau. Tafi ak brason. Men vini ak potre Jésus-Christ, Bolivar, Toussaint ak Matit de Saline ak Tche. Paske nan konbit si la, se pou fini ak travail libération. Libération sans condition. Ou te met blanc tankou nèg, femme tankou garçon. Qui tout est sorti dans le nord, qui tout est sorti dans le sud, dans l'est ou dans l'ouest, pas de condition. Depuis gen remè ak volonté, travail ça pour li fin fait. Konbit pour konbit. Nous poil faire yon konbit, mwen ta remè pour nous tout aller. Konbit. I would love to make a Konbit, a collective of all of us can go. A Konbit we've been waiting for, a Konbit we have waited for, a Konbit we all need. And this collective, we won't need hoes, machetes, or knives. We won't need extra clothes or hats, tafia or beverages. So come on. Come with portrait of Jesus Christ, Bolivar, Toussaint, Marty, Dessalines, and Che. Because in this Konbit, we're going to finish the task of liberation. Liberation without conditions. Whether you are white or black, woman or man, whether you're from the north or from the south, from the east or from the west, there will be no restriction as long as there is love and will. Yes, love and will. This work must be accomplished, Konbit by Konbit. Yes, we're going to create a collective. I would love for all of us to go there. Well, again, this is Dr. Joseph, Dr. Lou for short, reading Coumbite by Hilario Batista Felix. I look forward to seeing you guys next week for another reading of Creole poetry. Have a great weekend.